Tired of your current profile picture and ready for a change, or maybe just want to go incognito? Let's dive into how to easily remove your profile picture on Facebook using your mobile device. First, locate and tap the Facebook app icon on your phone to open the app. Once Facebook is open, look for the three horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu icon, usually located in the top right or bottom right corner of your screen, and tap on it. In the menu, you'll see your name and profile picture at the top. Tap on this to go to your profile page. Now you're on your profile. Tap directly on your current profile picture. A menu will pop up. Select View Profile Picture. Your profile picture will now appear in full screen. Look for the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This is the Options menu. Tap on it. A list of options will appear. Choose Delete Photo. Facebook will ask you to confirm your decision. Tap Delete to confirm you want to remove the profile picture. And that's it. Your profile picture is now gone, and you've reverted to the default Facebook avatar. Now you're free to upload a new picture or keep it simple. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Facebook tips.